Okay, we're on day 3 of this little tour. Bit of an update. Camped last night because that mountain was closed, couldn't get over it. So I've had to do a massive detour this morning. We're just heading up the Col de Soulor and we should be back en route in 20 minutes or so. But the GoPro has proper shit itself, so that won't even turn on now. So that's knackered that job. What I'm going to try and do is get as much footage on here of views, and I'll just have to edit something together that we're going to be more like a bloody holiday photograph job, but maybe that'll suit. So GoPro, don't ever buy one, they're shit. Really shit. I'm dead disappointed. Come on the trip of a bloody lifetime and it's bloody let me down. Never mind. I'll try and work out how to get power to this now. We'll work the battery. I'll get to the top and then we'll have another play. I just don't want to spend all my time faffing about with frigging tech. Especially tech that don't work. There's another GS on way up, I can hear him. Right, I'll see you at the top. So I just missed the summit. The summit's there of the Col de Soulor. But that behind it is where we were last night. I can't remember what it's called now. Called Orbisque. And then we're going to head off that way over to wherever on the rest of the route de Cols. Stunning again, red hot, just so hot. Right, onwards and upwards. Okay, so I can't get up there. Peaked a bit too soon again. That's a bastard. Oh well. Just what to do them switcheroos up there. Oh, never mind. Right, I've got to find my way back round now. So here we are, Luz Den. Stunning switchbacks. What can you not like about that? But I do want to do it on my push bike. I'm coming back, fetching the bike. Tourmalet's shut, so I'm still working my way around. See where we end up now. Right, see you in a bit. Oh yeah, we're back. Bloody GoPro. I don't know what's up with it. Oh dear, right. So, missed a load more footage there. Been up to the Cirque de Garvion, which was very nice, bit touristy. Then up Luz Den, the climb at Luz Den made me want to get back on my bike out here. Okay. Yeah, we'll go that way, right hand side of that road. Right, yes. Back on it now. For how long though? Ooh. We're going to attempt to do the Col d'Aspan next, but I bet you that's bloody short at all. Anyway, we'll give it a bash. And that's all we can do. That's what we've come here to have a look at. The detour, if the Aspan's shut, is not as bad as the detour for the Tourmalet. This has been quite a big one, as was the one last night. Nice to get on some faster roads, to be honest. I've got to say, I'm using Kalimoto, and I cannot fault it. I know one or two people that I know that have had a bash at it, can't get on with it, but it is absolutely faultless out here. I've had a a few things to work out. So when I've come across a road closure, what I've had to do is pause the tour, drop a new waypoint on, and then reopen it, start the tour again, and it just reroutes perfectly. But while it's still running, it will not deviate. So learning new things with it all the time. Engine lights back on as well. Freaking so this is a bit sketchy. Ooh, first little test. I don't even know where I am. Oh, before I had a right bloody... So I'd stopped to have a look at this GoPro to see if I could get it to work. No, weren't having any. I set off, literally rounded the corner, friggin' Deering Road. Couldn't get the this one on quick enough, the 360. The little baby did, well, I say baby, it was stood about bloody 4 foot tall. Look at this. Could be in the friggin' Andes. So the Col de Tourmalet is just there. Won't bother going up it, there's no point. I've been up it before. So we'll head up the Col d'Aspan. Open! Thank Christ for that. It's all coming together. So I've done it again today, haven't I? I haven't stopped. I've not eaten, I've not drunk anything. So what time are we on? 4 o'clock. No. Oh, we're in front, aren't we? It's 2 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. It's 4 o'clock. That's on home time, so I was hoping to get to Luchon tonight and book somewhere to stay, somewhere nice. Failing that, I'll just jump on a campsite, but they all seem to be closed around this area. Do you know, I bloody swear I've ridden up here on the old push iron. It all looks very bloody familiar. We've just booked in on this campsite. Ooh, look at them views. 11 quid. 11 quid! Oh, I don't know how we do it. £11.37. No, that was €11.37, so it's probably about 10 quid. Camera's bollocksed up again. Pain in bum getting that, tell we. Let's go and check the place out. I've got some tighten this chain up a bit. That's looking not too bad, just needs a little nip on it. In fact, you're supposed to do that on the bloody side stand, so let's get it on the side stand.